Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is TCL 40R 5G, and in this video I am going to show you how to change icon size on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to hold on this wallpaper like this, and there we have to open home settings. And sadly we can only change icon size by changing grid of the apps. As you can see now they are bigger, and here they are smaller. And then we have to click apply, and that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!